boys and girls. Today for math we are going to be talking about more or greater, and a more or greater just means that there is a larger number. There's more. Greater means the same thing as more. So what we're going to do is we are going to compare the two, we're going to call these sets. So this is a set of umbrellas and this is a set of trains. We're going to compare these two sets. The first thing that we need to do is write our name before we get too carried away. All right. Then the first thing that we need to do is we're going to count how many there are in the first set. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 umbrellas. So I'm going to write the number 3 on this line right here. If I need to remember what the 3 looks like, and if I need to trace over the number to practice my, to get my hand to practice the motion so I know how to make it, that's okay too. So I'm going to write a 3 here. Now I'm going to count how many trains there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice how I touched each one as I counted it. I want you to practice doing that too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, if I need to look at the number, this one looks a little silly, but that's okay. All right. Now what we want to do is we want to, you're not going to color both of these. You're going to only color the set that has more. So are there more umbrellas or are there more trains? There's more trains, right? So we are going to color the trains. I'm going to color it a little bit quick. You can take your time and do it a little bit slower. I just want you to see what it's supposed to look like, okay? You can use different colors. I had the intention of making my train different colors. If you make your train different colors, I would love to see the detail that you put in your train. Also, that's practicing your handwriting muscles as well. So then, after you do that, you're going to compare, these look fuzzy, so I think they're tennis balls. Tennis balls to volleyballs. You're going to compare baseball bats or softball bats to tennis rackets. You're going to compare slices of how do I say this? Pieces of watermelon to slices of watermelon? I don't know. This one's a quarter and this one's a half. They're both watermelon, I think. And then you're going to compare paint to glue down at the bottom. And then flip it over. You guys are so smart. You got this. Don't worry. You're going to compare phones to scissors. This type of paper to this type of paper. This shape, a rectangle, to... This has a name besides a plus sign, but it looks like a fluffy plus. Skateboards to snails, and toucans to worms or caterpillars. Okay, so you're going to compare each of those, count how many there are, write the number on the line underneath each set, and then only color the set that has more. Okay, so you're not going to color the umbrellas too. You're only coloring the trains because the trains have more. And when you turn it in, I'm going to be looking to see that only the set that has more is colored, because then that tells me that you not only follow directions, but that you also know how to tell what has more in it. Okay, I hope that this is kind of fun for you, a fun way to do math, to color and count and do different shapes. And I look forward to seeing your beautiful colorings and your super hard smart work.